Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to use the Chat Editor tool. It can generate the pictures we want more freely and also adjust the pictures locally. The most important thing is that it enables characters to move in different scenarios while maintaining character consistency. Let's see how to use it. First, upload a photo. Click on the chat editor below. Dzine provides two models, Chatgpt and Flux Kontext, for your use. There are three proportions to choose from: square, landscape, and portrait. Let's try to turn this girl in the blue dress into an anime style. Enter prompt and click Generate. You can see that this photo has been transformed into an anime style, and the dress and movements on it are very well matched. The features of the characters have also been retained. Double-click this picture and place it on the canvas. This time, let's use the Flux context. This time, let's ask this girl to change her action. Input the prompt. Pro tips: after you input the prompt, remember to add other details remain unchanged. Select the proportion you want to generate and click Generate. You can see that this girl winks at the camera and puts her hand on her waist. Shockingly, all the other details remain completely unchanged. There is also an entry below the result bar to enter the chat editor. This time, let's try to put this girl into different scenes. Based on this picture, we placed her in a snowy weather and kept all the details. Click Generate, and you can see this girl standing naturally on a snowy street with some falling snow on her body. There are even very natural footprints on the street. All of this has happened without changing the composition or details. This time, let's try to put her in another scene again. Enter the prompt and click Generate. You can see that this time she is taking a walk by the seaside, holding a shell in her hand, and her image and dress remain unchanged. The charm of context lies precisely here. It can maintain the consistency of characters on the basis of local fine-tuning and better understand the language we input. By making step-by-step adjustments, you can gradually change the character's movements and background while retaining the character's facial features, clothing, and other characteristics, and string several originally independent pictures into a coherent story. You're now a Chat Editor Pro. Head over to Dzine using the link to try it yourself.